that?
What is it, Murphy?
That's what DC Jones said. If Hermes can kill her, they'll find out eventually. Might be too late by then.
You knew Lorna the Marwoods. You worked for them. There must be some skeleton in their closet. This Vivian Marwood's death. Yeah, she was doing
Murphy, sit.
She was still young.
Sit.
What, suddenly she gets
Murphy, sit.
Convenient and life.
Biscuits.
Sit.
Biscuits.
You sit for a biscuit. Murphy, sit.
Miley will.
Miley will sit for a biscuit, won't he?
No point in meeting here.
Good puppy.
Here we go at last.